Goddess of the sea, beauty, elegance, and alluring charm. These are the characteristics of the mythical Asian mermaid. Portrayed and discussion by Obra Grandiosa, one of the most creatures of the water world, the mermaid. Possessing unearthly beauty and angelic voice, these creatures are not to be missed with. They will lure you with their beauty, alluring and mesmerizing, representing what Pangasinan offer to the universe. Abundant salt beds and the purity of its celebrated asin. Designed with an elegant combination of white pearls, sparkling sparkles, shimmering sequins, and rigid rhinestones, the ensemble symbolizes the crystal clear brilliance of salt crystals under the sun. The intricate pearl embellishments represent the province's coastal treasures, while the rhinestones capture the luminous reflection of sunlight on salt floods. This creative costume is a vibrant and integrated symbol showcasing Pangasinan's rich salt-making heritage. The attire typically features shades of white, gray, and blue, symbolizing salt and the sea. Traditional Filipino elements like barong Tagalog, barong Sayan, and tapis are incorporated with a modern twist adorned with the salt crystal patterns, shell, and fish scales. The costumes are assembled or embellished with sequins, beads, and feathers. Adding a touch of elegance, headpieces and accessories such as turbans, bandanas, and salt-inspired headdresses. Pangasinenses hardships, tradition, and creativity. It is the center point of tourism and economic growth of our beloved Pangasinan. Culinary, a very delightful and sumptuous caution to face back to delicacy. The rice cakes honors Paris Festival, Pinume Festival, Kakanin Festival, Putu Festival, Tupin Festival, and Patuban Festival. From the livelihood, the talipapa or temporary makeshift market is a staple for every Pangasinense vendors. This is something that Pangasinan can offer to the universe. This costume is tribute to Princess Urduha legacy of resiliency and the pride of Lingayen, such as their products and heritage. It features and celebrates the dedication of its people and the artistry of their products. This includes the world's best bagoong that carries its rich history of tradition and culture. The hardworking people of not only in Lingayen but Pangasinan. The centerpiece is a sunburst headdress that rotates outward with an integrated golden rings, adorned with traditional patterns, evoking the splendor of the sun. The bodice is designed with detailed woven textures, like inspired by indigenous weaving techniques and blends with metallic accents, enhancing the royal and divine aura. The entire symbol merges natural and cosmic elements, with earth tones dominating the gown. This gown, inspired by the Queen of Pearls, elegantly showcasing the rich marine ecosystem of Pangasinan through its executive design. Crafted from soft white fabric, it features a stunning array of tricolor and pearl beads that cascade gracefully, mimicking and shimmering waves of the sea. The draped bag, adorned with pearl, adds a touch of sophistication, while the overall silhouette embodies both modern elegance and traditional Filipino artistry. This masterpiece designer, Art Lalata. Pusarobio's creative costume is a Princess Urdua inspired with a touch of Pusarobio's primary product, patupat and sword. Since Pangasinan is blessed with mountains and valleys, rivers and beaches, diverse tradition and cultural practices, the costume is accentuated with shells, woven basket, and corn, which is the product of the neighboring town. The sword symbolizes the strength of Princess Urdua as she led their tribe and defended their kingdom. And armor, which shows Pangasinenses' resilience on flood and typhoon. Backdress made of beads symbolizing the rays of sun as it gives hope to every Pangasinense. Pagpupugay kay Inang Maria para sa masaganang anin at biyaya. Pangasinan is a province rich in culture and diversity, beautifully embodied in this multicolored creative costume inspired by the bright and lively pagkas of our hardworking fishermen. The intricate details symbolize the province's thriving coastal livelihoods, where fish harvesting, especially milkfish or bangus, is a proud trademark. This abundance is joyously celebrated annually during the Islay Daya, or Sea Festival, honoring the sea's generosity. Pangasinan is not only a land in the northern part of the pearl of the Orient Seas. Throughout the years, Pangasinenses have remained grateful for the wealth of blessings with the sea and the field. The fisherman's words reflected in the right side, representing the resilience and expertise of those who work the oceans. The materials used for this section incorporate textures reminiscent of fishing nets with touches of sea-inspired colors like deep blues and greens. On the other side, the farmer stage, all showcase reflecting the hard work and connection to the land. Earthen tones of browns, yellows, and greens dominate this part of the costume, with accents to evoke the growth and harvest of the field, such as corn, onion, bundles of wheat, and patupat, which San Fabian is known for. Adios, San Fabian! Indigenous materials of craft primarily produced in Santa Barbara, like palay and paper match. The bricks crafted from native materials symbolizes the collective efforts, strength, resilience, and socio-economic viability of local men and women in Santa Barbara, most especially in brick production and manufacturing. Bana carries the hope, aspiration, responsiveness, and qualities of every Santa Barbarense in empowering others to showcase their purpose, potential, and craftsmanship. Like Vienna in embracing change and triumph, it is an embodied security and sustainable development. Its roots as a historic trade hub, it highlights the artistry and resilience of its people through stunning costume and meaningful cultural symbols. At the heart of this celebration is an exquisite ensemble that captures the essence of Urdaneta's agricultural abundance and cultural pride. Shimmering gold, bold accents of purple and green, and integrate beadwork that reflects the city's farming heritage. Its sharp lines convey strength, while the dynamic fringes